Pendulums will always try to provoke you and suck energy from you. Then how to stop them from doing so? By declaring a war against them. If you start a war against pendulum, you will be the one to lose because you will end up doing what they want. So to defeat pendulum, give up the idea of battling with them. So what needs to be done to defeat pendulums? Ignorance. Just ignore the pendulum and its provocation. Don't respond. Don't do anything. Just ignore it. Ignoring doesn't mean avoiding. If you try to avoid, you will end up giving your energy. So just recognize the pendulum that it is trying to provoke you and ignore its provocation. It is important to wake up at the right time. There will be no point in waking up after pendulum provokes you because you won't be able to do anything except to realize that you forgot to do so. There will be such moments where this will happen until this becomes a habit. Pendulums have programmed us to act in a certain way that will end up benefiting them. Now it's time to wake up. Then what if you can't ignore the pendulum? There will be such moments where ignoring will do no favor. So what to do now? Rent yourself out. What does this mean? Give your mind and hands to the pendulum by cutting the connection of your heart. Let's understand this with an example. Let's say your boss calls you and is demanding that there is some work that needs to be done. You know that this work does not fit under your category and there are other people who can do this work in a better manner. So you can't argue because you will end up giving your energy. Let your boss talk first and then explain them how there is someone else who can do this work better than you. Here, you will be swinging with the pendulum but doing it with awareness. It might sound hard to apply, but do it. It is easier than it sounds. Just don't react and swing with the pendulum. Another technique to defeat the pendulum is by reacting inadequately. Wake up at the right time and do something that does not fit into the script of pendulum. When a pendulum tries to hook you, there is a certain way things will unfold. For example, if you are going to be beaten by a street gang, there will be a certain way this situation will unfold. First, they will catch you, then you will get scared, then they will beat you, and so on. But what if you do something very idiotic? For example, grabbing their leader's neck and asking if he wants to get choked. Well, you are very unlikely to end up in an extreme situation like this, but you can do this in your day-to-day life. When a pendulum tries to provoke you and you are unable to ignore it and there is no point in renting yourself out, you can act in an adequate manner. This is a fun way to defeat the pendulum. The face its adherents make when you do this is worth watching. It might look like it is not a good way to act outside. But why? Pendulums have programmed you in a way that will only benefit them. Now it's time to show pendulum that your energy is not free of cost. You may ask, where does this energy that pendulum uses to provoke you goes? It comes to you, and this is why you feel so proud when you defeat a pendulum. Do you understand how great a pendulum feels when it takes your energy? So what happens when you free yourself from all the pendulums? Your anxiety, worries gradually reduce. Arguments occur less frequently. There is no conflict or any fear. This may sound good, but there is a downside to this. When you free yourself from pendulum, you are in a vacuum. Things that needed you earlier now happen without you. You are less important now. You have lost nothing but haven't achieved anything either. Why does this happen? Our entire world is made up of pendulums, and when you disengage from them, you find yourself in a kind of desert. It is human psyche to strive towards something. But you are that child who has everything he asks about. He has nothing to ask and is bored. It is better to determine your goal and go towards them and engage with pendulums that will help you achieve them. But it doesn't mean that they care about you. So you must engage with pendulums with awareness. It is not possible to free yourself from the pendulum, and in transurfing it is not important either, because pendulums are the one that turn dreams into reality.